Introducing True Phantom Solutions Canine Phantom for Ultrasound, a state-of-the-art training tool designed for veterinary professionals and students. This anatomically accurate phantom allows realistic practice, helping you master ultrasound scanning techniques with confidence. Its abdominal portion is intentionally left uncoated, allowing for deeper probe insertion and scanning of internal organs. The organs inside are fully palpable, enabling you to feel and locate them just as you would in a real canine patient. Additionally, it features a triangular heart window positioned directly beside the lungs, allowing for precise and effective cardiac ultrasound practice. Perfect for training, teaching, and honing your skills, the Canine Phantom is an essential tool for any veterinary educational program. Visit our website at www.truephantom.com. Please request a quote and contact our agents for more information.